If your Discord server doesn't have a verification system yet, you're taking a big risk grinning face with Sweat. Because spam bots, fake accounts, and raids can destroy your community anytime. So in this video, I'll show you how to set up a professional Discord verification bot step by step, easy, fast, and beginner friendly.
First of all, open your any Chrome browser. Then search verification bot. Verification bot. Then second, this website is real verification bot. Now invite this bot your Discord server. Click this here and your Discord login. Then I added this server. Choose the server, this here. Then connect, authorize. Okay, your verification bot will join it. Then slash, then now type slash enable verification. Enable. The verification already enabled. Then again, okay. Then verification channel. Verification setup channel. And already create a verification channel, and then type again verification type. One click verification. Then enter. Then now set up your role, verification setup role. Anyone verification like to join auto roles. Okay, verification roles. Okay, unverification already set up it. Then verification set verification roles. Then player. Okay. Anyone join the anyone verification and automatic join the roles. This selected roles are okay. And then first go the setting, then roles, then security roles, upper, then player roles. Okay, then set. Okay, then again verify verification setup role, not this, not channel verification setup verification channel verify. Okay, and set verification roles, then player. Okay, successfully verification of this player. Okay, and now anyone join and view this channel. Only this channel view, but all channel hide it. Then anyone they click here, then show every channel. Right, your already verification. This video will help you. Like and subscribe now.